In honor of his first full year in office, here's a look at some of Biden's biggest wins from his first year of presidency. In March 2021, the American Rescue Plan Act was passed without a single Republican vote, providing taxpayers and dependents with $1,400 each. Retail sales were up 19% in 2021. The unemployment rate is at historic lows, hovering around 4%. Families were given $300 a month to help with childcare. But one of Biden's biggest achievements was the passing of the $1 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill.